Hello, good morning, students. Today we will study future perfect tense. We studied earlier classes present perfect tense and past perfect tense, and today we will study future perfect tense. An action that is completed, that will be completed in future or expected to complete in future is called future perfect. It is in future perfect tense. Future perfect tense is used to refer to the completion of an action by a certain time in the future. ये एक निश्चित भविष्य में, एक निश्चित समय में कोई काम कंप्लीट होने वाला है, पूरा होने वाला है, वह फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस में होता है। ये टेंस हमें ये बताता है कि एक्शन का कंप्लीशन भविष्य में कब होने वाला है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, here the sentence, I will have completed my home assignment by next week. ये काम का कंप्लीशन फ्यूचर टाइम में बता रहा है, कंप्लीट मैं कर लूँगा अपना होमवर्क, अपना होम असाइनमेंट नेक्स्ट वीक। ये एक समय बता रहा है, भविष्य में, फ्यूचर में ये एक समय बता रहा है, तो उस समय तक मैं अपना होम असाइनमेंट कंप्लीट कर लूँगा। सेकेंड, next example, you will have reached the market by 5 PM. ये एक्सपेक्टेशन है या ये एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं हम कि तुम 5 बजे तक बाजार पहुंच जाओगे। You see that the action is completed but in future and a time given time. यह दो चीज़ें महत्वपूर्ण है। एक तो काम कंप्लीट होगा, ये बता रहा है कि फ्यूचर में होगा, लेकिन एक समय जरूर दिया जाता है कि इतने समय तक या इतने घंटों तक या इतने दिनों में, इतने सालों में ये कंप्लीट होगा। दो चीज़ें इसमें याद रखने की चीज़ है। जैसे आई विल हैव, ये टेंस ही बता रहा है ये फ्यूचर में होगा, और कब तक, बाय नेक्स्ट वीक, बाय 5 PM, ये टाइम बता रहा है। अब इसका स्ट्रक्चर हम देखेंगे। structure will be the subject plus will has have. We not use has, we use have. In this case we use have. Subject plus will plus have plus verb, third form of verb and object if time given. In negative, subject plus will negative subject plus will have plus not plus verb third and object. In a question, for example, he will have not completed his work by 2 p.m. In question, will if there is question sentence, we use will before subject plus have plus verb third plus subject and a question mark. For example, here question, will he have written a letter by next day? तो अगले दिन तक लेटर लिख चुका होगा. And we studied past tense, future, past, present, and then today in future. Perfect tense is completed, and I will give you some questions to take to you to complete, and I will check your answer next day. Please take down in your notebook. I gave you some questions to complete answer according to direction. Here the question, they test me for a long time, and it sentence will be completed in present perfect tense, and verb is no, and you should fill the blanks by changing the verb in present perfect tense. Second, second question, I does my work by the afternoon, and you should change complete the verb complete in future perfect future tense. Third, this sentence is to be changed in past perfect and verb is here. Number 4. Here the question, I dash not dash the work when he arrived. Question mark. It should be changed in past perfect tense and verb is finished. And last, question number 5. Here though event or though action, I ate all the cakes, and second she asked for one. Join the sentence past perfect tense. This question number 5th, has two action. I ate all the cakes. Second, she asked for one. You should join the sentence in perfect tense. Understood? And you should remember perfect present perfect tense, past perfect tense, or future perfect tense, and there are some question in exam also is given from this chapter, and learn by heart and exercise more and more. So complete this perfect tense, and next classes I will first I correct your answers, and we will study continuous, perfect continuous tense. There are three perfect continuous tense. You know, present perfect continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense, and future continuous tense. And we will study next class present perfect continuous tense. Thank you.